How to order GrabFood using Grab Wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to order GrabFood using Grab Wallet. To order food using Grab Wallet, first open the Grab application on your mobile device and set your location access. This will take you to the home page. Here, you can select the restaurant you want to order from. Choose the food you want and add it to your basket. Once done, tap on the basket option. Then, set your delivery address. Scroll down to the payment method option. Here, set your payment details on Grab Wallet. Next, link your Grab Wallet and your order price will be deducted from your wallet. So that is how you can order Grab food using Grab Wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.